We'll move towards the question number 2 of exercise 12.2. And again, what we'll do, we'll make the inequation first and then solve them to find the minimum or maximum whatever is required in the question. The question says one kind of cake requires 200 gram flour and 25 gram of fat. To make one cake, it is required 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of cake. The second kind of cake that requires 100 gram of flour and 50 grams of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no shortage of the other ingredients used in making the cakes. Is that clear? Now, we'll start the question as suppose we make X kind of first cake and Y kind of second cake, and there can be 0 or greater than 0. We cannot make cakes less than 0. So, we'll make the table. In the first table, first column, what we'll write? Cakes of first kind X, cakes of second kind Y, and then availability. So, in the question, again see up that what is required for first kind of cake, that is X, and that is we are given 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat. So here in the flour column we will write 200 and in the fat column we will write 25. Similarly, for second kind of cake, that is that we are making Y cakes, 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat are required, but the availability is 5000 grams. 5000 grams because 5 kg of flour is available. That means 5000 grams are available to make the cakes, and 1 kg fat is available. So 1 kg of fat is 1000 grams of fat is available to make the cakes. So what would be our inequation? 200x plus 100y should be equal or less than 5000 grams, because we cannot use more than 5000 grams because only 5000 grams are available to us for flour. Similarly, for the fat column, 25x plus 50y should be equal or less than 1000. Right? So there are common points here. So what we do, we divide it by 100. So the first inequation becomes 2x plus y. You can say that this is the first inequation. Okay. And that is 2x plus 5y equal or less than 50 because we divided it by 100. For the second one, 25x plus 50y equal to less than 1000. We can see that 25 is common factor in all the elements. So we divide it by 25. So x 25x when divided by 25 is x, then plus 2y equal or less than 40. Total number of cakes z. How many cakes we are making? X of first kind and y of second kind. So total number of cakes will be x plus y, and we have to make the maximum number of cakes, right? Maximum number of cakes. So we have to maximize z equal to x plus y under the constraints 2x plus y equal or less than 50, x plus 2y equal or less than 40, and xy should be equal or greater than 0. This now we'll find the feasible reason for our inequation. So here is the feasible reason. You can see that for the first inequation, 2x plus y equal or less than 50, but we will make the line for 2x plus y equal to 50. So when we put y equal to 0, so x is 25. So the first point is 25 comma 0. You can see that in green. Then when you put y x equal to 0, so y equal to 50, so this is the point that is in green, 50 comma 0. So sorry, 0 comma 50. Similarly, when we move to the second line, that is x plus 2y equal to 40, you can see here in red, when y is 0, x is 40, so this is the point 40 comma 0 in red. And when x is 0, y will be what? 20. Right? Now, we will find the feasible reason. How? Again, we will put origin. So, in which equation? First in equation. So when you put in the 2x plus y equal or less than 50, so the area will be shown by these green lines. You can see that this, and this as well, right? And this is for the second line. That means x plus 2y equal to 40, equal or less than 40. Similarly, for the first line, that is 2x plus y equal to 50, the area will be not only this whole triangle, or suppose this is the point D. I make it with red. Okay, OD, and this is the point A. ODA is our visible reason. This. Now, we can see that the common green and red reason is what? This is the quadrilateral OABC, and these are the points. This is the feasible reason, and this at the corner points we will find the maximum. We have to find the maximum or minimum value of z. But since we are going to find a maximum value of z, so our z is what? X plus 5. So the first point is A, which is 25 comma 0. The second point is B, 20 comma 10. How do we get this 20 comma 10? By solving both the inequations, and you can solve it very easily, you know that. And then the point C, which is 0 comma 20, and finally point O, 0 comma 0. So when you put 25 comma 0, that is the A point, this is A point in x plus y, so 25 plus 0 is 25. Then we put 20 comma 10, so x plus y, 20 plus 10 is 30. So the point finally, the third point is 0 comma 20. So when we put 0 plus 20, the answer is 20, and 0 comma 0, the answer is 0. तबीयत खराब हो गई थी, उसने केक बनाई नहीं, ठीक है? Okay. So the maximum number of cake she made, ठीक है, or he made, is number is 30, and it is when x is 20 and y is 10. X kind of 20 cakes of first kind and 10 cakes of second kind are made, and the total cakes will be 30. Maximum number of total cakes will be 30. Thank you. बाकी अगले एपिसोड में